In this video, I just wanted to hop on and show you how to knit with 2 strands. When you knit with 2 strands, usually what you want to do is one of 2 things, is thicken the fabric that you're using. So let's say you wanted to knit a scarf in kind of a bulky, but you only had 2 worsted skeins of yarn with you at the time, and I'm assuming you're not home because we all have a whole bunch of yarn. But let's just say you didn't have the weight that you wanted. You can always just double up and create that weight with 2 different yarns. You can use the same color, so you keep the color scheme going, or you can do 2 different colors and just kind of throw it in. This first part here, I just used the green, and it's a little thinner. As you can see, it kind of V's down a little bit because this is a little smaller, where when I added that extra strand, it bulked it up a little bit. So this would be considered probably an Aran to a bulky yarn on top versus a worsted on the bottom. So if you held like 2 lace weights yarns together, you would create like fingering weight yarn. 2 fingering weights would create a DK. 2 sport weights would create a lightweight worsted. 2 DK yarn strands would create a worsted to heavy worsted, like maybe even an Aran. And then 2 worsted would create a bulky. And then you can keep going. If you wanted to do 2 bulky, it would be super bulky. But you just have that, idea for creating something else. But when you are creating with 2 strands, it looks like you're creating extra stitches. But if you can see, it's just kind of coming out of one, but it does look like 2 stitches. So you're going to hold both strands in one hand, because you're going to knit them together in 1 stitch, even though it looks like 2, but this is considered your 1 stitch. And then you're going to wrap both those around, and then you're going to drop that stitch off that needle, and then you can just keep going into the end to create your own color design, basically. Oftentimes when you add like a lighter solid to a kind of a multicolor yarn, it tones it down a little bit and it's real pretty. And you would just knit those 2, and this creates a thicker fabric as you knit with 2 strands. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.